In this video, we will be looking at reading and writing multi-digit whole numbers. This is an early concept within Module 1. We'll start with 837, and we'll talk about how this is a numeral. 837 is written in all digits, 837, which someone would consider to be all numbers. This would be the same if you were working with 46 or 29 or even 15,032. Each of these is a numeral because it is written completely in digits. We'll stick with 837 to start us off with unit form. Unit form is where we write each digit in its place. So for example, we start with our 8 and it's in the hundreds place. So it's 800s. And then we have our 3 in the tens place. And then our 7 is in the ones place. This could be written on top of one another like I have done, or you could also write them next to each other in one long line. Other people might also refer to this as the base 10 name. Either name, base 10 name or unit form, is acceptable. Still using 837, we're now going to write it in word form. Word form is exactly how you would see the number if it was written in a paragraph or a sentence, because it is written in words. 837. All words. Our last form is expanded form. Expanded form is where we stretch out each number based on its place and its value. So the 8 we know is in the hundreds place. So 800s is equivalent to 800. We add that on to the 3, which is in the tens place. So 3 tens is 30 or 30. And then the ones place is a 7. So we add a 7 there. And if you were to add these up, you would see that 800 plus 30 plus 7 brings us back to our original numeral, 837. For our last part, we'll have a different numeral, 2084, and we'll do each of our forms. So for unit form, we want to make sure that we have our digit in its place. The digit is 2, and it's in the thousands place. That should be written in words. There are no hundreds, so it's 0 hundreds. There are 8 tens and 4 ones. So a digit with its place. For word form, we're going to write everything in words. 2000. I can put a comma here like it shows in the numeral. 84. And lastly, expanded form. So we have the 2 is equivalent to 2000, that's the value. We add that on to no hundreds. If you want to, you can put that or you can leave it out. It's your choice. Then we move to our tens place, and there's an 8, so that's 80. And our ones place, there's a 4. So we can have 2000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 4 will bring us back to our original numeral of 2084. I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to ask an adult for more numerals to practice.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.